Seeds in the garden. Seeds in the garden.
Hiya, I'm one of the seed sisters, and I'm here in my garden under the elder in mid-May. I was out here yesterday with my daughter and we picked all of the blooms that were ready and we made an elderflower cordial. Cordial means heart-warming, and this truly is a heart-warming medicine with antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, diuretic, slight laxative and diaphoretic actions. And we'll be putting information under this video linking to the blog so we can explain all of those to you, and with a recipe to make the cordial. But the elderflower and the elder tree is under the domain of the planet Venus, all about attraction. And she is such an attractive old witch, known as a crone tree. She holds the wisdom of ages, and this tree has such a wealth of folklore that surrounds her, named the medicine chest of the people because she really holds the power and magic to open all of our channels and to create flow in our bodies. And these flowers that will eventually turn into berries are just one aspect of her special medicine. Enjoy making your own cordials. We're going to go and try and have elderflower wine this year as well. Thank you for listening.
Seeds in the garden. Seeds